How to cleanse and detox your kidneys naturally. Kidneys are an important organ when it comes to filtering our toxins and waste from our bloodstream, and a kidney cleanse is a simple way to detox your kidneys. Despite their small size compared to other organs, our kidneys are essential for our body. It's through the kidneys that the blood is cleansed of potentially harmful substances. Additionally, they regulate body fluids and perform other functions. One of the most recurrent problems in the kidneys is the formation of kidney stones. They are created by the accumulation of substances like calcium, which sometimes are not adequately filtered by the kidneys. Given their importance, we must take care of our kidneys so they remain healthy. Many times, symptoms pointing to problems in these organs may not be present at first, only coming later when the problem has already worsened. In addition to consuming an adequate amount of water daily, there are juices that can help the kidney perform their functions very efficiently. In today's video, we will teach you to prepare a juice that carries several excellent natural ingredients not only for the health of the kidneys but also for the whole body. They are lemons. This fruit is rich in citric acid, a substance capable of dissolving and preventing the appearance of kidney stones. Turmeric. Turmeric has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties which can help in the prevention and treatment of inflammation and kidney infections. Ginger. Just like turmeric, ginger is an excellent natural anti-inflammatory. Cranberries. Cranberries contains guanic acid, which helps to break down calcium and prevent the bonding of substances together to form the stone. Cranberries as well as lemons can also prevent the appearance of these stones. Grapes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants that, in addition to strengthening the kidneys, can even reverse kidney damage. Now that you know the ingredients, let us go to the recipe. 1 cup of cranberry juice, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 cup of grape juice. Instructions: pour the grape and cranberry juices in a bowl. Add the turmeric powder, lemon juice and grated ginger and stir well. Let it stand for 30 minutes so the ingredients will infuse well. Then filter the juice in a clean jar. We recommend that you drink this juice every day.